What's up, guys? Today going over the Fat Ass Glass birthday mystery box. So what the birthday mystery box is, a little twist like our other mystery boxes, except it's for birthdays. So I'm pretty sure this is the first and only Smokers mystery box birthday theme. I think it's awesome. So far, got a lot of positive feedback with them. And of course, it's the best mystery box out there, but they range from $24.99 all the way up to $450. And there's 10 different levels, so a lot of prices in between. We have the herb theme, the oil theme, and the mixed theme. So the herb theme, just like all our mystery boxes, come with products intended for herb use. The oil theme intended for use of oil, and the mixed theme would be a combination of both herb and oil items. So this right here is the mixed theme. We leave in the order details that if you want in the order notes, you can put custom requests. So that's where it gets fun. You know, birthday cards, blank slate, you could put any type of note as you want. So if you're surprising someone for their birthday, you know, aunt, uncle, mom, dad, boyfriend, girlfriend, friend, they're gonna be really surprised when they open up this random box and get a note from you. So in the order notes, put whatever you want, whatever request or whatever type of note you want in your card. We'll leave that for you. For example, this is a custom request. Someone is getting this for their wife who loves the color pink. So we threw together this box with a pink theme and a lot of great items. So I personally think the birthday box is really fun to put together because, for one, you're trusting us to pick out a birthday present for your friends, family, or significant other, and we really take that into account, so thank you for that. And two, it's always fun putting mystery box together. So heard a lot of feedback again that's positive, so we're going to keep these going. And any questions, guys, feel free to reach out, and we hope you have a happy birthday. We try and give shout outs on social media too for people that get these boxes if it's not a secret. But yeah, so fatassglass.com, free 2 to 3 day shipping on orders 25 plus in the United States, and interest free payment plans available. So let's party. Check us out, Fat Ass Glass on all social media. Cheers, guys. Have a great day.